Hello, hello. Hello, everybody. It's Cassandra with Pecan Porch Boutique. I am going live just for a few minutes tonight. I just wanted to do a quick reveal of the buffet that we worked on this past, last week and the week before. So I just wanted to kind of hop on real quick and do a quick reveal of that and kind of let you guys see how it turned out. It actually turned out really pretty, I think. So, hi Donna, how are you? So I'm just gonna kind of give you guys a quick recap of what we did and just kind of let you guys see how it looks. So let me see if I can figure out how to flip this camera around. Here we go, I think. All right. So here it is, y'all. I'm holding the camera in my hand so that you guys can see some close-ups. Then I'm going to back up a little so you can kind of get a picture of the whole thing. But it actually turned out really pretty, I think. I think it came out really, really pretty. So this is kind of what it is. And just to do a really quick recap, we actually used the Roycycle Decoupage papers, the Peacock Infirma. We did on both sides, the right and the left. Also, I'm just going to move in a little bit closer so you guys can see. Now maybe you can really see this this imprint here. We did the paint imprint there. We also did some raised stencils along the side there with the peacock feathers. But look at this top, you guys. Didn't that top turn out beautiful? Y'all know that is my favorite, Dark and Decrepit on top there. So what I did was I took the Dark and Decrepit, and again, you can use it as a glaze or a stain. And what I did was I kind of watered it down some, and I so that I could let me see if I can get a close up a little so you guys can see that wood. See how pretty that is? So I watered the stain down so it wouldn't be so strong, so that I could keep that wood there. So that came out really pretty, I thought. And remember, you guys, if you guys remember, we used the see these knobs here. We used the lock and key mold, and then I used a combination of Dark and Decrepit and Golden Ticket to kind of give it that aged look. And I thought those turned out really good. Those are really pretty. And then for the drawers, I created these knobs because, and if you guys, I'm gonna get a close up. See those knobs? I created those using the smallest flower from the He Loves Me mold, with some stain and some paint just to kind of give it this aged look. So you can really take, old knobs that you see hanging around the house and actually create something really pretty with them by using some of the products. And there's some more peacock feathers over on that side. So I think this piece really, really turned out pretty. And, it's supposed to be for my sister, y'all, but hey, it's in my house. So, But anyway, I just wanted to hop on really quick just to kind of show you guys kind of what it looks like. It really turned out really pretty, I think, with the mint chip and then the combination of sea glass and salty kiss around the doors and the drawers. So I think this really turned out pretty. So anyway, I just wanted to do a really quick recap and kind of let you guys see how it looked. And I think for next Wednesday, we're going to do something a little bit different. So until then, you guys, again, thank you guys so much for supporting me. I appreciate it. I'm Cassandra. I'm with Pecan Porch Boutique. You guys have a good rest of the night. Okay? Bye. Bye-bye.